Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Python installed and Vscode open. Start by opening the extensions view with Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Type Python into search and locate the official Microsoft extension. Click Install and watch the status change. This adds linting, debugging, and IntelliSense. Once done, make sure the extension is enabled. You'll want to confirm the interpreter selection next so Vscode points at the right Python binary. That choice affects linting and virtual environment behavior. After installation, open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P and run Python. Select Interpreter. Choose your project's virtual environment or system Python so tools run against the right environment. Next, enable linting and pick a formatter, Black, AutoPep 8, or YAP via the extension settings. Configure testing frameworks like PyTest if you need tests. Make sure debugger launch configurations are created in Vscode/launch. JSON. This lets you set breakpoints and run with integrated console. Finish by creating or activating your virtual environment and ensuring dependencies are installed with pip. Verify the selected interpreter in the status bar and run a short script to confirm IntelliSense, linting, and debugging work. Adjust extension settings for code format and analysis depth if needed. If features don't appear, restart Vscode, reload the window, and confirm no conflicting Python extensions are enabled. That single restart often resolves unresolved language server or interpreter detection error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.